All right. We are in the hot dog peeling room. In order to make hot dogs and bologna, we need to make a batter. And the batter is pretty much like making bread. Bread is flour and water and spices. A hot dog is hamburger, a little bit of ice and spices. And it's chopped to a very fine batter. That batter then is stuffed into a plastic casing. Those plastic casings will determine the size and the shape of the hot dog. Now these casings have to be removed before we package the hot dog. That's what this machine is doing. It's putting a very little tiny cut in the top of the plastic casing, and air and vacuum is removing that casing from the hot dog at a very rapid pace, as you can see. And every surface needs to be kept very clean, sanitized. Between each product changeover, they'll sanitize the machine and the table thoroughly. We like to think that we're as clean or cleaner than a hospital room.